Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mercy. For those of you who are new here and if you're returning, thank you so much for returning. Now in today's video, I'm going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial. A simple, easy to do, budget-friendly eyebrow tutorial. And before I start, I'm going to be showing you guys the products I'm going to use. Because when I'm doing the eyebrows, I'm not going to talk. I'm going to speed it. I'm not going to speed it up. I'm going to do a voiceover, so I'm going to show you the products right now before I start the video. So first of all, I'm using this Bobbi Brown brush from Bobbi Brown brush set. I have the set of it, and this is the one I'm using. The particular one I'm doing the video for now. That's one. The second one is this full brush from Bobbi Brown also. Spoon brush, Bobbi Brown also, and the third brush is this random brush from the brush set I got from Jumia. I'm going to try to link, put a link down to where I got it from on the description box below if I can find that link. And this is the Davis pencil, Davis eyeliner and Lipliner pencil. So yeah, this is basically, and this will be shade 3, number 3. Yeah, Davis pencil. It's probably like, I don't know, 100 naira or something. Yeah, I'm using LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Fawn. So I'm going to put the list of all the things I use in the description box below if you guys are interested in getting them. So I think that's all. I have a mirror here in front of me, and I'm going to just make the video as short as possible and make it as detailed as possible at the same time. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Yeah, so first of all, I'm going to start by brushing your eyebrows upward. I'm using the spoolie brush that I showed you guys earlier in the video. So you're going to use the spoolie brush. As you can see, I'm making upward strokes with the brush on my eyebrows, and I'm showing you the brush. So basically you do that first, and we're going to be using the pencil now to draw some lines on. As you can see, we're going to start from the bottom line of your lashes, and I'm going to just draw strokes to mimic your eyebrows. Yeah, as you can see, I'm mimicking the natural line which my eyebrows already have, and I'm doing the upper portion right now. Yeah, so let's see. So yeah guys, what I'm doing here right now is I'm trying to draw in a little bit of shape to my eyebrows, basically, because my eyebrows thin out at the edges. So I'm trying to make it fuller and trying to make it look full. And I'm just using the spool brush to brush it and put them into place, into where I drew the lines. So I'm doing that. So basically just blend with your spool brush, draw and blend again with your spool brush. So yeah, that's what I'm basically trying to do. So I'm going to start with the other eyebrow now, and I'm going to repeat the process I stated earlier. So first you draw your eyebrows, draw underneath the eyebrows, and try to align with the natural shape your eyebrows already have. Another thing to note is when you're drawing your line, make sure you're not pressing or holding the pencil too hard. So, or whatever thing you're using to draw your eyebrows, don't press it down on your eyebrows so hard, because when you do that, the line is always very thick. Like now, you won't really even know that I drew my brows, or you probably will, but basically my point is don't draw them in so hard. sorry if my other eye is not showing. I went out of camera and I did not know. So yeah, this is what it looks like right now. So I'm doing the same thing to the upper part of my eyebrows. I'm just drawing them in, as I said before, and I'm trying to outline the natural shape of my brows. And I use my hand. If there's any mistake, you just use your hand to like wipe off whatever mistake you made. And I'm using the brush to brush it in again and to blend it in with the pencil again, as you see here. I know it's not really showing, but it's going to come together when you use your concealer. And if there's any mistake you make here, or if you make any mistake here, you can just easily use your concealer to clean it up. So what I'm about to do. I'm about to use the concealer to clean it up and make it look nice. So with an angled brush, you put on your concealer, and when you are doing this, make sure you take your time, because you can just easily mess this up. So you take your time and use the brush or whatever thing you're using to apply the concealer very close to the line you made with the pencil. You make sure you take your time when you're doing this. Take enough time to do this. So I'm starting the upper part of my eyebrows now, and this is where your brows starts coming to life and start taking shape. So when you are doing this, some people use like their foundation shade or their foundation to do the upper part of their brows so it will blend in more. But you can also use your concealer if you just don't want to do that. I just use my concealer to clean it up. And so when you're doing this, make sure you take your time. So yeah, and you can make some mistakes here, but you can just use your, I'm going to do that later in the video, you can just use your pencil. If you mistakenly over conceal, you can just use your pencil to lightly draw in strokes to clean it up and make it better. Sorry that I keep going off camera, but I'm back now. And yeah, so if you want to make your line to be straight, just make sure you are, number one, not holding the pencil too hard. You hold it with a very light hand. Number two is you make sure that you take your time. Patience is the key to this. Time and patience are the keys to getting very good eyebrows done. And yeah, you can conceal whatever you want to conceal, anything you don't want to show, or any mistake you might have made while drawing, you can just conceal them and try as much as possible to get the shape you want to get. So I'm back again with the small brush I showed you earlier, and I'm going to use that to blend. You can also use a blending sponge, to blend it if you want, but I just prefer to use this. I'm sorry for the mirror also, but I keep forgetting that I have to put my face on camera or put it in focus. So you just blend until you're satisfied. See, while blending I made a tiny mistake there, and as I told you earlier, if you make mistakes like this, you can just use your pencil to draw back the line that you erased with your concealer. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just trying to restore it back, and right here I'm just drawing in light strokes to fill up the empty spaces and the gaps that my pencil wasn't able to draw in earlier. And yeah, that's it for now. I'm going to go off camera right now to do my other brow, and I'll be right back when I'm done. Yeah, I'm back and I've done the other brow. So this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Yeah, I think I did pretty good. So I'm going to go on and continue my day. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below what you guys think, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and peace out.